And then the clavicle dito. The clavicle in the cat, you remember, is inserted in a muscle. And so in your skeleton, you don't have the clavicle. Okay? And then the thyroid cartilage of the larynx. And then you have the hyoid. And then you have the mastoid process of the skull. You remember the mastoid process of the skull. Okay, so at the base of the neck, from the sternum, you have a V-shaped muscle. Forms a V. Tingnan na. Alright? Sternomastoid. Okay? And then, meron kang sternohyoid. If you deflect this, okay, dineflect natin siya ganon, makikita mo, ito yung larynx. May muscle dito, sternothyroid. Larito, kapag ganon, thyrohyoid. Okay? And then cricoid and thyroid cartilage, may muscle dito sa larynx, the cricothyroid. Okay. Ngayon, meron kayong hindi makikitang madali. Yung cleidomastoid. Okay? Cleidomastoid. Kasi yan, kailangan mong itabi ito at lukutin sa pagganon. So we'll skip this part and then we'll go to the back and then get it from the back. Okay? Yeah. So some common muscles, alright? So kaya ito mylohyoid, yung papaganon. And then the angle of the jaw, you have the digastric. If you cut this, you can see the geniohyoid going that way. Alright? So some reference points. Yeah, whiteboard. Check ko whiteboard naman. Narating yung sila, baka bigla akong nakalitan dito. Okay, so we'll identify these muscles in the cat. So, basta look at your reference points.